Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I think I'm like a couple of days of being 8 months locked. So I figured I'd just come on and do a quick update to let you guys know what's been going on with my hair. I haven't recorded in a long time because I was just honestly trying to figure out my hair, making sure what I was doing was right, making sure that, you know, the locks were coming out right, doing my research, because I started my locks on my own doing 2-strand twists. I've never done anything like that before, so this has really been a learning process for me, and I didn't want to come on here and give any advice or anything without truly knowing what I was talking about. So it's been 8 months, and as I said, I started my locks on my own using 2-strand twists. This is what it looks like now. My hair has grown a lot, I feel. When I first installed the 2-strand twists, they were a decent length, you know what I mean, but then they shrank up once my hair started to lock, and this is what it looks like now. Yep. I really like how it's coming along. I really like how it's coming along. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is one of the struggles that I've been having with my lock journey is extremely dry scalp, and then just recently dry hair, but that was my own fault. So my current regimen, not currently using any deep conditioners in my hair, any beeswax or any products like that on my hair. I wanted to keep it really light, really natural, because I didn't want to have buildup. Finding products to use on my locks that are lightweight, that don't cause buildup, I wouldn't say it's hard. I just kind of went towards the products that are geared towards natural hair, but were super light. That products that probably wouldn't have worked on my hair if it was loose, because it was too light and not very moisturizing, but they've been working for my hair so far. And I'll probably do another video, because I don't want this one to be too long, where I talk about some of the products that I've used on my hair that have worked and some that haven't worked. And also, if you guys have any suggestions in regards to products that I can use on my locks, please let me know in the comment sections. But anyways, going back to the issue I was having was extremely dry and flaky scalp. I don't know if it was from dryness or whatever, but it looked like dandruff. I mean, the flakes were huge and disgusting. And my regimen included, I was waiting like 3 weeks to a month to wash my hair, because I wanted to give my hair time to lock. So I did that for about 2-3 months, and I was like, I can't do that. Like, I need to wash my hair. So I started washing my hair every 2 weeks, and of course the locks would come undone. My scalp was still extremely, you know, flaky and gross. I actually noticed that I don't have that problem right now. So as of about my last wash day, which was last week, I haven't noticed any flakes on my scalp that look like dandruff. I mean, it was really bad to the point where, like, I probably just run my hand through my head and flakes would be falling on my shirt. It was horrible. So some of the things that I've been doing is that I've been focusing on moisturizing my scalp, not with products, but with like oils, like natural oils, a blend of natural oils that I make myself. So I'll spray my scalp. First, I'll make sure I cleanse my scalp with a shampoo, and then I'll like spray my scalp with a mixture that I've been using to help regrow my hair, which I'll talk about in a second. And then I'll go in and I'll oil my scalp with my blend of natural oils. And since my last wash day, I haven't noticed any flakes, so I think that's been working. Also, in washing my hair, no matter what I did, the twists would come undone. So I went from washing my hair once a month to pushing it out 2 months, to then saying that's not pushing it out 2 months, but washing my hair every month, pushing my retwist out to every 2 months. But like every time I would wash my hair, the twist would kind of come undone, up until about maybe like 2 months ago, I noticed that they were really starting to lock up, and some of them wouldn't come undone. Like the back would lock up a lot faster. My hair is finer in the back, softer texture, so that part would stay locked, but towards the front it would come undone. I started washing my hair with a stocking cap, and that helped a little bit to keep the locks in, but they would still come undone some. So and then the first time I washed my hair with a stocking cap was a disaster, because with the stocking cap on, you can't really tell if your hair is getting sudsy with the shampoo. So just kept putting shampoo in, putting shampoo in, putting shampoo in, and my hair was so dry and so brittle. Like, I over shampooed just because I couldn't tell if my hair was getting clean because I had the stocking cap on. But it was clean, it was squeaky clean, and I don't feel like I got all the shampoo out with the stocking cap on. So the stocking cap was helpful, but it would have taken some trial and error for me to get it right. So I did that twice before I decided to interlock my hair. So currently my hair is interlocked. So I'm trying to do the math to make sure I'm right about when I started. So June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So yeah, I'm 8 months in. I interlocked my hair about a week ago. I did it over the course of a week. So I started with the back, did the sides, and just did a little bit a day until it was all done. So that's gonna be another video, y'all, because that process was a struggle, because I have never interlocked anyone's hair. All I did was do my research and watch YouTube videos and everything like that. So I'll talk about that in another video, because like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. This is just going to be an update about some of the things that I've experienced in the 8 months that I've been natural. So what else? Oh, my bald spot. I uploaded a video a little bit before I decided to lock my hair. I had been thinking about locking my hair for like years now, and my mom, I was video chatting with my mom, and she showed me her locks that she'd had for a long time, and I haven't seen her in a while because she lives in Jamaica. But when she turned around and showed me how long her hair was compared to the last time I saw her, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and lock my hair. And so that's one of the reasons why I started the lock journey. But while I was starting the lock journey, I had some issues with my hair, with breakage, that I didn't know was so bad until I decided to lock my hair. So when I put the 2 strands in to start my locks, there were so many gaps in my head, y'all, especially in the middle part of my head, which is still thin. If you look at it right now, it's still very thin. Like if I grab a handful of hair from this section, look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. Look how thin the middle is. You see what I'm saying? And I didn't notice that I had so much hair loss. I had uploaded a video where I said I kept my braids in for 3 months. I definitely think that had something to do with it, but I feel like it's an issue within my own self, because the whole reason I went natural in the first place in 2010 was because my hair started falling out in 2009. And I don't know if it's because of stress at the time in 2009 when my hair started falling out, which is why I went natural. I was very, very, very stressed out. I wasn't taking care of myself. There was a lot going on. So my hair started falling out, and it would do it in sections, like little by little, until there was only a tiny patch of hair left. So that was my first experience with, like, you know, like going bald. So when I took those braids down and I saw how thin my hair was right in this section, like in the middle here, I noticed that there really wasn't much hair there. The hairs were so short. And I'm like, okay, maybe it's because I left the braids in too long. But then when I was wearing my hair out afterward and I would like detangle in the shower, I had clumps of hair. Like my hair was just falling out. And I didn't want it to be a repeat of 2009 where all my hair fell out. So my mother inspired me to lock my hair, but that was also one of the reasons why I wanted to lock my hair, is because I didn't want to manipulate it so much. Like, I had already been thinking about locking my hair, but I'm like, okay, this will be the perfect opportunity to do so. And at the time, I was just thinking it was just that small patch of hair right there that was missing. So I'm like, okay, it'll grow in, and I can put, like, you know, little baby locks there and just let it grow out naturally and do its thing. But as I was locking my hair and I finished, as I was putting the 2 strands in, I finished putting the 2 strands in, I noticed that there were so many sections where there was hair missing. There, like, the entire middle of my head just felt so gappy and spaced out. Like, you touched my head and all you felt was scalp. Like, there was no hair there, there was scalp. But then if you look in the mirror, you can see, like, it felt scalpy, but it's like hair is supposed to be there. So what happened to my hair? Like, my hair was falling out that bad and I didn't realize it. And once my hair started growing back, like a couple months into my journey, then I started to realize how badly the balding was. Like there's literally an entire row of hair missing where I put, like, baby locks in right now. But there's literally, let me see if I can turn that on. Like, this section right here, all this section right here, there was no hair there. See these baby locks? There's like 1, 2, 3, and then 4 baby locks right here. And then like 1 baby lock here and another back here where there was a section of hair missing in the back. So in total, there's like 6 or 7 locks, I think, that like I could put in the areas that were missing here, if you get what I'm saying. So I had no idea that my hair fell out so badly. But the good thing is, like, I'm starting to get a regimen down that I'll share with you once you know, it's perfected. Like, I'm still working, trying to figure out what's working for my hair, but I'll share with you what I've been doing also in another video to regrow my hair, because once I saw how gappy and spaced out and thin it was, I really went to work and did some research and came up with like 2 concoctions that have really helped my hair that I'll share with you in another video, because I want to keep using it to see, you know, see how thick my hair gets. And that's another thing too, like if you watch the video where I installed my starter locks, you can see how thin they were, and I was kind of embarrassed to show my hair once I finished installing it. So I just went ahead and put it in the halo braid and wore it like that for a couple of weeks, because I was embarrassed to wear it down because it was so thin. Like, the 2-strand twists were so thin, I didn't want to wear it down. So the halo braid helped, and then I was like, I don't think my hair is going to lock as fast if I keep it in a halo braid. So I took it down. I was still embarrassed to wear it, but I found ways to cover up the spots, you know what I mean? But my hair has gotten so much thicker, and I'll try to put clips in so you can see how my hair is thickening up and how much it's grown in the last 8 months. And I'm very happy with how my hair is looking. I do have a concern about interlocking, and I'll share that with you in the next video, because I'm not trying to take up too much of your time today, but I have a concern. But you know, I gotta give it a couple months to see how my hair is looking, to see, you know, if like my first time interlocking did anything crazy to my hair. But I think that's it. I'm still trying different products, you know what I mean? And like I said, I'll share that with you guys in another video. So stay tuned for more updates. I'll be posting more frequently now that, you know, I feel like my hair is in a much better place, and I kind of know what I'm doing now. So I'll be posting more frequently. If you have any advice for me, leave them in the comment section. I think I've covered everything. My hair kind of feels like it's still in an awkward phase. I kind of just want it to be super thick and long already, but I'm kind of like working through it looking the way it does. I kind of just wear it like tucked behind my ear, but I just kind of went through the whole awkward phase like it was nothing, but really kind of bothered me how it was looking. But I mean, it's been paying off, I think, anyway. But yeah, that's all I have for right now. Subscribe so you guys, and I don't know, I think there's a bell or something that you could click on to get notified when there's more videos. But yeah, subscribe. I'll post some more videos to let you know what all I've been doing with my hair, what products I've been using, and give me some advice in the comment section. If you're on your lock journey, if you started your locks yourself, if you have any advice for me, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.